An Egyptian court has jailed prominent blogger and pro-democracy activist Alaa Abdel Fattah for 5 years at his retrial for violating a protest law. He was previously given a 15-year jail term in the case over his alleged role in a protest in 2013. Alaa Abdel Fattah gained fame during the 2011 uprising as a campaigner against military trials for civilians. Al-Jazeera journalists Mohamed, Fahmy and Mohamed also appeared in the same court on Monday for their retrial. The men were freed on bail earlier this month after more than a year behind bars. The retrial was adjourned after a brief hearing, and they are next due in court on March 8. The journalists are accused of spreading false information and of helping the banned Muslim Brotherhood organization. Australian Peter Greste, the third journalist in the case, was freed on February 1 and deported to Australia. Court uproar. Alaa Abdel Fattah was charged under laws that prohibit protests without prior government permission. He was accused of organizing an illegal protest in 2013, and of rioting and assaulting a policeman. Rights groups say the charges are politically motivated and form part of a broader crackdown on dissent under President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi, a former army chief. Other defendants on trial with Abdel Fattah received sentences ranging from 3 to 15 years. There was uproar in the courtroom after the verdicts, with supporters of the defendants calling for an end to military rule in Egypt. Defense lawyers said they would appeal against the ruling. Sham trial. Rights groups have also criticized the case against the Al-Jazeera journalists, describing it as an assault on press freedom. At their original trial, Mr. Greste and Mr. Fahmy were sentenced to 7 years in prison. Mr. Mohamed received an additional 3-year sentence on a separate charge involving possession of weapons. The defendants denied the charges, describing their trial as a sham. Their convictions were overturned on January 1, when the courts ordered a retrial. Exactly 1 month later, Mr. Greste was released and deported to Australia. Several students have also been held in the same case. The students deny working for Al Jazeera, but it is thought that material filmed on their phones was used by the network. After his retrial was adjourned, Mr. Mohamed tweeted that he was concerned for the others still being held.